Hello guys, and welcome to DTW Tutorials. Welcome. Alright, so JAMB has activated your 2025 caps. Alright, I'm going to be showing you how you can access it here. Okay, and so for those, a lot of people have been messaging me, it's only 2024. The last time I sat for JAMB, it's only 2025 I'm seeing on my portal. Why is there no 2025 now? And I've been saying be patient. Now it has been activated. So how do you access it? Just come here, come and read this up. Alright, dtwtutorials.com. Go to academics. When you go to academics, come to news, all right, or just come here and just search for caps and this will come up. Okay, so you come here. So this is the site. You go to efacility.jamb.gov. Don't worry, we'll go there. All you need to do is put in your email and your password. Now when you do your registration, JAMB sends you a mail which has your password, details inside it for you to access your portal. So that's what you use. In case you are having problems with your email and all that, you can contact us, okay? Because that's one of the things that would limit you from accessing your caps. And to access your caps is important because you need to upload your WAEC or NECO results or GCE results, whichever result it is. And also you need to check for your admission status and accept it or reject on your caps. So you need, if you're having any problem like email address problem, incorrect, you forgot your password, you misplaced your email, all those things, contact us, okay? You can just click on this. When you click on this, it will take you to my WhatsApp. You see, that's my WhatsApp, DTW, okay? Or you have my number here. So this is what we do. We do recovery of your caps access, give you a link that you can use to access your JAMB caps at any time. To upload. We also do WAEC and result upload for you right from your home. We do it online. Okay, so you can WhatsApp me, whichever one you want to do. Okay, so now all you need to do is if you have your email, your password, just click on eFacility. Okay, and you just put in your details here and password. I don't want to, if I click here now, some of my students that I do help check, their details will come up and I don't want to, wait, hold on. Let me see if I enter one. Let me see. I don't want to expose aha. Okay, where is her details? Let me go down. All right. Okay, I'm turning the screen. Okay, because I don't want her. Let me see. I don't want her name to show in this video. Okay, can you see this? All you need to do is just come here. Come here. Can you see 2025 is now up? Okay, so that's when you click on it to now show everything about it, 2025 details. Okay, don't worry, when it's I'll do a proper video where I will blur some parts of the screen. Hold on, I'm gonna blur some part of the screen so I show you other things. Okay, so this is how you check your portal, you access your portal. Okay, so thank you, and please do share this video for anyone having issues or problems or wanting to know how to access their caps. Okay, let me turn sorry about that. Okay, so please, thank you, and share this video with your friends, family and loved ones. Okay, remember, if you're having issues with your email, you want to upload your WAEC or NECO results on your portal, don't worry, when that is activated I would let you know also in a video. Okay, that's for the WAEC results and upload, and also change of institution. When it is activated, it's usually after your results are out, then all those things will be activated. I will let you know. So make sure you follow our WhatsApp channel, be in our WhatsApp group, our Facebook group, Telegram group, anywhere you are in. We would also always share information to those platforms. All right, thank you, and don't forget that Jesus Christ is coming soon. Please do give your life to Christ, for he's the way, he's the truth, and he's the life. All right, you are destined to win. Take care.